Hello, everyone, and welcome to Design Bites, special KBIS preview. I'm Noelle Lavery, Senior Manager of Member Development for the NKBA, and it's a pleasure to be with you today. We're thrilled to bring you one of the most successful and in-demand sessions that we host on the KBIS show floor. Design Bites is, well, like speed dating for brands and specifiers, and we're really excited about today's episode. Now, don't worry, we're still going to host Design Bites again at KBIS 2022, February 8th through the 10th in Orlando, but we couldn't wait to start. So we will be revealing a special KBIS preview in today's webinar. And here's a really special bonus. This webinar qualifies for half CEU credit. Each company will have a few minutes to introduce an exciting new product and tell you a little bit about its special features, what makes it unique, and how you can incorporate it into your next design project. So today we have some fabulous brands on tap to talk about their latest innovations. Our first brand is Gold Heat, a custom manufacturer of electric radiant underfloor heat mats for kitchen and bath remodelers, flooring installers, luxury motor coach manufacturing, and tiny house builders, and they're proudly manufactured in the US in Hillsboro, Oregon. Now I'm happy to welcome Brian Bishop, CEO of Gold Heat, who's going to tell us more about their innovative product. Thanks so much for joining us, Brian.
Well, good afternoon. Thanks for having me.
So, Brian, what makes dealing with Gold Heat different from other floor heat providers?
Our Nordstrom level customer service is what makes us special. We started in the RV industry 19 years ago, and this was an industry that was very demanding of hitting schedules, hitting costs, the manufacturing line environment. So they get their product when they need it, where they need it, reliably each time, every time. We're designed with the needs of the kitchen and bath remodeler in mind. We understand project timelines. Because our mat is designed for your floor plan, it goes in very, very quickly, and there's no project delays working with us. Mat shows up, it's ready to install, time is money, install our mat, install the tiles over it, and you're ready to move on to the next phase of your project.
What makes Gold Heat products different from what's out there?
The Gold Heat mat is custom designed for each floor plan. So when a remodeler or a builder comes in, we take their floor plan and lay out the mat exactly to the print that they provide. So when they receive the mat, it rolls out between the subfloor and the tile with no design time. You staple it down onto the subfloor, pour a thin set through it, and lay your tile. So there's no schedule impact. It takes as long to install the radiant floor heat as long as it takes to put on your thin set. It's that quick. Another thing that makes Gold Heat different is our long-standing reliability. Because our Gold Heat mats originally were started in the RV industry, that's a continuous earthquake as you're driving down the road. So our mats work, and they work well, and they work for a long time. We also have a custom onboarding process for each new customer. So it's not like we sell the product once and forget you. We sell you the product, and then you get support. Call Oregon, we give you the support to make sure your installation is successful.
What industries do Gold Heat serve?
Gold Heat started in their RV business and has since expanded into tiny homes, kitchen and bath remodel, and home construction.
Gold Heat is an award-winning product. Can you tell us more about some of the awards it has won?
Some of Gold Heat's awards are for performance as a vendor. One of our key RV customers, Newmar, recognized this as a top 10 vendor last year amongst thousands of vendors that they have for schedule and design performance. Other Gold Heat awards include Best Design Finalist or Best Indoor Product Finalist at the IBSX show.
Thanks so much for joining us today, Brian. Now, before we move on, we have a special video to share from Gold Heat.